Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to talk top knots. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to create a super cute top knot. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just starting off with my hair up in a high ponytail because it's easier for me to start out this way so that we're not wasting a lot of time with me trying to get my hair this way. So this first one I'm going to show you is by far the easiest, but it works best with long hair. So I'm starting with an elastic, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it through my hair a couple times, and then I'm going to stop and leave my hair like this. This is going to create more of a messy bun. Then I'm going to take this hair that's left over right here, and I'm going to wrap it loosely around the top and then tuck it in the back. Then I'm just going to start pulling everything out and making it a little bit messy, and that's top knot number 1. The next one I'm going to show you should work well with almost all hair types. So you're going to take your ponytail and you're going to split it into 2, and then you're going to just start wrapping them around each other to create a twist. And then you're going to take that twist and you're just going to wrap it like a bun. This gives your top knot some texture. So then I'm just going to take another ponytail just like this, and I'm just going to tie that. So there you have that one. That is top knot number 2. Okay, so top knot number 3 is a little bit more advanced. It's maybe not for everyone, but I'll show it to you anyways. It is a fishtail top knot. So to do a fishtail, you want to split your hair into 2 pieces, and you want to bring pieces from either side over to the other side. So we're just gonna go like this, and we want to start bringing it from the outside and over and overlapping the pieces. So I don't know if I'm doing a very good job of showing you what I'm doing here, but you should be able to see the beginnings of my fishtail. Okay, so now that I've got my fishtail done, I'm just going to tie it with another elastic. And then I'm going to pull pieces out to make it a little bit fuller, like that, and then I'm going to wrap it. And then I'm going to take one more small little ponytail, and I'm going to fasten it. So there is my 3rd top knot to show you. That one can be a little bit more detailed if you take the time, or it can be messy. It just is up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be bringing you many more hair tutorials, you know, now that I have my long, luscious locks. So I hope you guys have a really good day, and I'll see you soon.